So our walk with the Oomnitza started 5 years ago. So we kind of have it figured out. We're in a much better place, but I still have the scars from those battles of years ago on how we did do that, and so they're fresh in my mind. And I'm probably speaking to some people out there. We had a horrible financial system back then. I would not trust it for any purchasing data. So I used Evernote. So imagine that you have a finance system where you keep track of your invoices, but I was using Evernote to find out purchase information. So, example I like to give is 5 years ago when somebody put a ticket in and they're talking about their computer having some problems, and we would think, oh, okay, well, let's check on the warranty of that computer. Where would we find that? Well, that's in the spreadsheet of our replacement plan. We know when all those PCs were bought. That PC was bought in 2005. Okay, well, it's 2008. Still don't know if it's under warranty or not. Okay, well, now we go into Evernote. We look for the serial number. So you can see all the calories that are burned just to find out when an asset's warranty is up or not. And that was kind of a tipping point, was finding out that we had to go to three, four, five different places to find data and get
Hmm.
insight on an asset. The other, as we started seeing, and this has become more and more of an issue, is as we go through our annual risk assessments for cybersecurity and our internal controls for financial audits, as well as compliance audits, as well as those risk assessments. That's like the number one thing that they ask for now is give us an inventory of your servers. What version of this do they have? And man, I could never be more prouder and happier than just, in a minute or two, just dump out a report that would have took a whole weekend to gather that data previously. So you can call that a tipping point as well.